Hello guys, I'm Alisson, I'm Brazilian, and I'm gonna teach you how to dance samba in a way you can practice inside your room, okay? So, let's go.
Now you can see my legs and feet better. To train at home, socks are better and they will help you to slide. So let's start with the legs in parallel. Now let's transfer the weight to one leg to the other, flexing the knees. I'll show you the movement from the side. Now let's do the same thing, just tapping the floor with little steps. Okay, we need to lift our feet a little bit, but not too high. I'll show you from the side. Okay, we don't need to lift your feet too high, doing something like this. Now, let's do the same exercise using the samba rhythm. We will count from 1 to 4, and 4 is a little break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need to count the 4 because it's just a little break. But now we are ready to learn the basic step of samba. We step back, touching the arch of the back foot to the heel of the front foot. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It's important to step in front and 2 to step back in 3. Practice going backwards, okay? Now you are ready to do it at the same spot. 1, step back. 2, a little bit further. 3, bring the back foot. 1, 2, 3, bring the back foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just practice. Practice a lot and try to rotate and move.
So guys, the last tip is how to use your arms. So every time we step at back, we move our arms to the opposite side. When we step back using the right leg, we move to the left, and when we step using the left leg, we move to the right. Okay, dancing is something like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, practice it a lot to make it more natural. Okay, so that was the last tip, and I hope you have enjoyed the class, and the most important, that you have had fun. Okay, thank you very much. See you.